spooned or not to spooned? That is the question. I think you should spooned in an effort to save 80% of your CO2 needs. Oh, heavens, you startled me. But alas, welcome. Hello, my name is Garrett, and I've been creating libations for 25 years. Let us begin. For most mainstream beer styles, single vessel fermentation and keg serving will result in better and longer lasting beer. Cheap floating dip tubes allow the use of a keg as a fermentation and serving vessel, thus eliminating the need for separate fermentation vessels. Buying bulk hops in 8-ounce packages strikes a tremendous balance between value and freshness. Using an overnight mash can split up your brew day, but in addition can save you money on yeast by allowing you to make a real wort yeast starter. Pulling hot water from your water heater gets you closer to a finished brew day than pulling it from ground temperature. Temperature-tolerant silicone tubing is cheap and versatile. I've had some now for 15 years. In the history of the universe, nobody has ever regretted owning a kegerator, unless it was the principal reason for your divorce and a contributing reason why you lost custody of your kids.
Where do you get these things?
A simple stainless steel carbonation cap is one of the most versatile pieces of hardware I own.